Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Sturt Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2017 Toyota Highlander. This is the all-new trim. It's the SE. It's built off of the XLE trim, and it just adds a sporty interior and sporty exterior. So it has a sport grille, black roof rails, black alloy wheels, and it's a 7-passenger mid-size SUV. This is in the Blizzard Pearl exterior, and it has the black leather sport interior. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto up and down on the driver and passenger side, power locks, power adjustable mirrors. Driver and passenger seats are power adjustable. Here we have auto high beams. This is part of Toyota's Safety Sense P, which is standard on the Highlander. This is the switch for the auto stop and start system. This is new all this year. Whenever you're at a stop sign or at a stoplight, the engine will turn off, and then as soon as you press the accelerator, the engine will turn back on and you'll be ready to go. It's really good for your fuel economy and helping the environment. Power rear door, windshield wiper deicer. This helps with the clog up of ice underneath your wipers in the wintertime. An extra cubby for change ownership. Steering wheel is leather wrapped and tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls with advanced voice recognition. This has the text and email to speech. This is for the multi-information display screen, your lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control, part of the Toyota Safety Sense. Gives you liters per 100 kilometers, range left on the gas tank. Your eco indicator, your all-wheel drive control, sway warning, so if you start swaying, if you're driving for too long, the vehicle will tell you when it's time to rest. Compass, you can control your audio from here. This is for the dynamic radar cruise control, so you can set the distance between you and the other vehicle whenever you want your vehicle to start slowing down and match their speed. This is the stop and start settings. Any messages, including low fuel. The settings for the lane departure alert, pre-collision system, the blind spot monitor. You have a power mode. This helps with acceleration, so it increases your acceleration. It's good for highway driving or when you're passing somebody. Again, the settings for the stop and start, language, units, eco mode. This is good for in-town driving. Decreases the acceleration power a bit, but saves you on fuel. And on your multi-information display screen, you can have different driver information. It's a push-button start. It has an 8-inch display screen with a 6-speaker audio system. Includes AM, FM radio, CD player. It's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible. This is your home panel right here. So you can have 3 panels or you can have 2 panels, and you can customize which one you want in each panel. And this works just like a GPS. It's also where your backup camera is. It has tri-zone auto climate control, so driver, passenger, and rear all control their own climate controls. It has air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, and heated mirrors. This low space is good for a charging station for your phone. You can have a cord running from up here. From down below, you have 3 USB ports. These 2 are new this year. You have a 12-volt accessory outlet, auxiliary port, your locking differential, downhill assist control. This is just like cruise control, only when you're going downhill really slow. You concentrate on the steering and the vehicle will maintain the slow speed. This is the snow. So this is for your vehicle will start in 2nd gear. This helps if you're stuck in the snow, and it helps build up traction. There's traction control. It has an all-new 8-speed automatic transmission. It has manual mode. It's good for when you're towing. Heated front seats. Dual cup holder. You have a huge size glove box. There's a pull-out tray. Another 12-volt accessory outlet. It's an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. You have overhead sunglass storage, garage door openers, your interior lights, and the settings for the power sunroof. It has 19-inch alloy wheels specific to the SE trim. It has color-keyed door handles. Has the smart key entry system, set of black roof rails. There's a rear bumper protector. It has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. What's nice about the Highlander, so you press that button and just the back hatch opens. So if you're just checking on the kids or on the pup, you don't have to open the door fully. So you get the 2 sets of mats, one for the summer and one for the winter. Has the 3rd row that seats 3 people. I'm going to pull this seat down. So they're easy to fold down. There's interior lights back here, cup holders. There's power windows, water bottle holder in all the doors. And the back windows have retractable sunshades. This is really helpful for the kids in the back. You have pockets on the back of the passenger seat and driver's seat. This is where the rear passengers control their own temperature. We have side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Highlander. Anchor points for the child car seats. So with the SE trim, you get the 2 captain chairs in the middle. And then you have a fold-out cup holder and tray. Then to reach the 3rd row, you just lift this handle up, move the seat forward, you have access to the 3 seats in the back. The exterior mirrors are heated, power adjustable with signal integrated lamps. You have an automatic halogen headlight system, fog lights. And this year brings an all-new engine, 3.5 liter V6, gives you more horsepower and better fuel economy. It has 295 horsepower and 263 pounds of torque. Come take a test drive on our new 2017 Toyota Highlanders at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.